Are you ready to dive into the world of passive income by selling your own t-shirts? Today, we're walking you through setting up your own print-on-demand business with ease. Let's dive right in. Intro to business models. There are two ways you can approach this business, the active way and the passive way. Today, we're focusing on the passive approach, where all you need to do is upload your t-shirt design to a platform and the sales start coming in. No need to worry about running ads, creating your website, or other complexities. Step 1. Market research. Firstly, it's crucial to know what type of design you want to create. You can go the route of creating designs you're passionate about, or you can leverage market research. Use tools like Google Trends or directly check out what's trending on platforms like Redbubble. This will give you a better understanding of what customers are currently interested in. Step 2. Creating your t-shirt design. The easy and fast way, using sumobundle.com. The best and fastest way to get quality graphics for your t-shirt design is by using our website, sumobundle.com. By purchasing graphics from our site, you're streamlining your design process while ensuring high quality. Medium way, using Canva. Canva is another excellent tool you can use. They offer a plethora of designs to choose from. Remember to check copyright and trademark regulations when adding text to your design. The hard way, combining graphics with text. If you're feeling creative, you can combine your Sumo Bundle graphics with additional elements or text using Canva or similar software. Step 3. Uploading your design. Now that you have your design ready, it's time to upload it to a print-on-demand website to start making sales. There are several platforms where you can sell your t-shirts, such as Redbubble, Etsy, Teespring, Spreadshirt, and Merch by Amazon. Quick note: if you're looking to upload multiple designs with ease, platforms like Redbubble and Teespring are recommended over Etsy due to the simpler upload process. Step 4. Strategies to earn money. The key to making substantial income lies in the quality of your design and the quantity of your uploads. Try to upload as many high-quality, unique designs as possible across multiple platforms. You never know, just one design could end up being your primary income source, and that wraps it up. Now you're equipped with the know-how to create and sell t-shirts online for some serious passive income. Get started today and join the AI revolution.